Every year, Dimensional analyzes returns of US-based mutual funds to determine how many funds outperform benchmarks after costs. This year's study encompasses thousands of mutual funds invested in US equities, international equities, and fixed income. Let's first look at how equity funds in this sample performed against their category benchmark. Over the past 5 years, not all funds survived, and only a small percentage of funds survived and outperformed after costs. And beyond 5 years, the percentage of funds that survived and outperformed was even smaller. We also saw similar results for fixed income funds, where a small percentage of funds survived and outperformed benchmarks. So you might look at these results and say, I'll just pick the funds that outperformed. But do top-ranked funds repeat? Let's turn back the clock 3 years and say we wanted to invest in mutual funds using past performance as our guide. To pick a fund, we looked at returns over the previous 3-year period and considered only funds that were in the top 25% or top quartile of returns. Then we took those top performers and observed how they performed over the next 3 years. How many of these funds kept their top ranking? We found that only a small percentage of funds in the top quartile stayed on top. We performed this analysis annually for the past 12 years and found that, on average, the majority of top-ranked equity funds did not repeat their top ranking. And the number that did repeat was about the same as you'd expect by chance alone. We also saw similar results for fixed income funds, where only a small percentage of the funds repeated their top ranking. The research suggests investors shouldn't rely on past performance when choosing mutual funds. At Dimensional, we believe investment strategies can be designed and managed in a way that can outperform the market without having to outguess it.